G'day guys, Ross Whiston here from Gawler, Vale. I cannot wait to show my latest listing. If you're looking for a swimming pool or drive-through access to your shed, come and take a look. With drive-through access to your shed, great outdoor entertaining area, a lot of room for the kids to play, and your very own swimming pool. My name is Ross Whiston from Gawler, Vale, and I cannot wait to meet you at the open home.